there, my name's Rebecca and today I'm doing a review on this curtain rod. This no drill curtain rod was gifted to me in exchange for my review. Let's pull it out of this box and see what we have. Here's what came in the kit. You have the hooks that go on the wall. These are renter friendly because it is a 3M sticker that all you do is you pull that off and stick it on the wall and it's ready to hold your bar in place. Or you can put these screws in the hooks that are given with the kit too. The bar itself will hold up to 16 pounds without drilling. Anything above that, they do suggest that you do drill and put the screws into the wall. And that would be really easy too. As you can see right here's the hole. It also comes with a set of instructions here. And the bar itself will adjust from 30 inches to 90 inches, just depending on the size of your window. You can tell which pieces are for the end. It's the ones with the stoppers. It's very easy to put it together and to screw it on there. You just tighten it that way, and that way it is secure. Again, it is so easy to put these brackets up. You just tear off the back side of your 3M and you're going to go ahead and put it wherever that you would like yours to be, and you just stick it right on there. And it feels so secure up there. I can't move it around. It is very, very tight to the wall. To lock it in place, you just make it past that point right there and it will hold it. Look how nice that does look. So easy to put up, and it makes my window and dining room area look so much better. All in all, I suggest this curtain rod.